Hello Sammler und Feinsteller, hello collectors and trappers all over the world. Today this will be my first video in participating in Scoutcrafters homemade screwdriver making, and I will start today. It's a little bit late, but I think I will have some fun in my basement room here. And now let's get started. Now some years ago I got some pieces of old wood turner here from my hometown who passed away, and I have several interesting pieces from him, such like this here. Ambuina seems to be a hardwood, or this one here, Palisander, also quite hardwood. Then I have here Platane, it's a softer wood, and this one is Maramba or Marmorholz in German. Marmor. I think this must be a quite hard wood. Then I've got Zarambo. It sounds like a wood from Africa or so. And this is here ebony, Ebenholz, ebony and ivory. And here is hard maple, maple, Ahorn in German. And another, this is birch, Birke in German. Then I have something I don't know really. It looks like, I don't know, nothing to be compared with. This is also maple. And here we have birch, one piece of birch again. And this is called in German Veilchenholz, Königsholz, Kingswood, I don't know, seems to be hardwood. And then we have Gara wood with a lot of holes inside. And another piece is birch, and another piece is buckeye burl, a very light wood. And now I have to try to take one of these woods for turning my handle for screwdrivers, to make a screwdriver. And I think I will do it with this one here, hard maple, or this one. I don't really know. This is looking interesting, very interesting. And so I will try. I think this will be my next handle in my competition, in my participating in Scoutcrafters screwdriver competition. And now I have to choose for the blade. The blade will be made by this here, I guess. I do not really know. The time will show us. And that's all I want to show you today. And now I can tell you the next step will be shown in a few days. Bye bye.